Good morning, TIS. We're ready for our update of our construction projects. Today, we're going to see our pre-med lab, our chemistry lab, but we're also going to be able to walk into the beginnings of our transformation of our new Welcome Center. Thank you for everything you do here at TIS. We're about to walk into what will become our new Welcome Center. We are excited that families will have a general gathering place where they'll be able to see the wonderful things, hear the great story of the TIS success story, as well as get information about becoming a part of the TIS family. Come look inside. Last week we were demoing this wall, and now it's a walkway in our storage room of our pre-med center. We are moving right along and right on schedule. So we're standing in our new teacher's office where our chemistry and pre-med teacher will be sharing an office space, and it looks great. They've already did their mudding and their taping, and so again, things are progressing here on this project. We're standing at the front of the classroom. On this back wall, there'll be a nice clear touch as well as a dry erase board. Teachers have a nice demonstration table right here. We'll be able to show our students, have them do hands-on science. It's about to be epic here at the Independent School, where you can be uniquely you, uniquely independent. It's a school like no other.